Hi everyone, today we are talking about a simple but powerful way to grow your website using external platforms to send traffic your way. The key is knowing where to post and what to say to get people clicking, whether you run a blog, online store, or personal brand. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the right platforms, create a post and get clicks, and track your results. By the end, you will know how to start driving traffic to your website. So let's jump right in and get started. This is my dashboard, and here's my keyword. I'm targeting this keyword, micro lot strategy. This keyword is suggested by one of my client. Credit goes to him. So he requested me that make a video where you can use external website to rank your page in Google and you drive traffic to your website. So this is our keyword. And once we are on this page, go to new repository. Why I'm using github.com? Because this is the website which is really popular. It indexes your pages in Google within 10 minutes. So thumbs up for github.com. Let's create this page and rank our keyword in Google. Now follow the same step I'm doing here. You have to use your keyword here and then dot github.io. Once it's done, go here, turn on this and create repository. Then settings, go to pages, wait for a couple of minutes and it will get activated. Page URL is ready. I open this page, showing me only this text, which is from readme file. Go to code, click on this tick mark, save changes. Now we have to add HTML script to our directory. I already have HTML script. If you want that, I'll just post it in the description. You can download it from there. And for this, you can use ChatGPT, Cloud, or Gemini. Go to add file, create new file, and I'll write here index.html. This is the complete code. Then commit changes. Wait for a couple of minutes to get it activated. Okay, it's done. Let's go to this page again. It's showing readme file. So you type here index.html. This is my page. Now here you have to add an element or button or video, anything to redirect traffic to your website. Should look more genuine. I'm using this one here. If I click on this button, it will redirect me to my website. Use your creativity and do something better to drive traffic to your website. For this project, I used this prompt, which I already shown in the previous video. Go to this button. And you will get this prompt. Replace your keyword and title, and then generate the article. But here you will get only the content, not the whole HTML script. Then you convert it to HTML. Once it's complete, now we have to add this page Search console. Go to search console and paste your address here. Continue. Copy the HTML tag. Go back to your code. And paste it inside HTML tag. Now here you have to remove the slash. Commit changes. Okay, it's done now. Now go to search console again and verify. Okay, we are verified. Go to property. Here actually you don't need what you call the sitemap. You just submit your URL here. You can see it's already crawled my page. Let's do test live URL. Okay, perfect. Request indexing. It's done. Now we'll wait for a couple of minutes and we'll check again whether our page is indexed in Google or not. We are back again. Let's check our page is indexed or not. Great, it's indexed. But now it might take a couple of hours to appear in search results. But let's check once it's there or not. You can see this is my page, but later I deleted this page because of the search console issues. But it's already there in Google. This is the reason why you should use github.com if you want to get good traffic from your website, because it indexes your page really fast, and it's a big website. If you target a low competition and high traffic keyword, you have a good opportunity to rank your keyword and get traffic from that. Now for this page, I'm sure it will take a couple of hours, but this is the method you can use to drive traffic to your website. Create a high quality page and then add call to action button or video or some kind of element which should look really nice and appealing. And then you have to add your website to Google Search Console. If your keyword is low competition with high traffic, there's a very high chance that you will get a good traffic from this website. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll bring some more tips or tricks related to backlinks, SEO, and keyword ranking. Till then, see you and take care.